Today we are going to do 10 minutes non-stop full body fat loss Zumba workout. This is one of a kind because I'm going to teach you such simple moves. Even if you're a beginner, you can do it easily. Now 10 minutes is hardly anything. From your daily routine, 10 minutes is what I ask for. Now come on, let's get with it and let's begin. I know you're a beginner, and just in case you don't get the moves right or you get confused, all you have to do is just keep moving. Either this or this. Just keep moving. All I want from you is not to stop. Let's begin. with this non-stop Zumba workout. Now just play along and do it one more time. What are you waiting for? We have to get rid of this sedentary lifestyle habit and get into the groove. And what better way than Zumba? I bring to you new videos every week, twice a week. So why don't you like my videos and make sure to tell me in the comments which video do you want to see next. I'll see you soon again next week with another exciting video. Until then, take care.